Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have started a new chapter of history, that is establishment of company power. And also we have studied the concept of mercantilism in the last video. In today's video, we will going to understand how India became a favorite trading post for the European countries. So, in 1433, there was a war between the Ottoman Empire, which was a Turkish empire, and Byzantine Empire, which was a Roman empire. The war between the Ottoman and the Byzantine Empire lead to the victory of Ottoman Empire, and they took control over Constantinople and Asia Minor, which are presently in Istanbul. They both are cities in Istanbul. So when the Ottoman Empire won in the war, they blocked the trade routes via land to the Indian subcontinent. And the reason is because Istanbul is a part of both the continents, Asia and Europe. And the Ottoman Empire did not wanted the Europeans to trade with the Indian subcontinent. So the Europeans found a sea route to trade with India because they wanted raw materials from India such as spices. And the European countries which started trade with India was Portuguese, British, Dutch and French. The Portuguese was the first to enter in India through the sea route in 1498 with the discovery of Vasco da Gama. Now the Europeans thought to control the markets of India. So they started setting up their own factories or companies in the markets of India. The factories and the companies which are set up in the markets of India are also known as the trading posts. So basically the Europeans started setting up their trading posts in India. After setting up their trading posts, now they want to colonize the regions. Basically, now they wanted to control the regions. They wanted their supremacy, their rule in those regions. Now, India became the favorite trading post for the European countries because they have observed that India has potential to generate revenue for their own country. So, basically, in order to set up their trading posts, all the European countries, the 4 European countries trying to set up their trading posts in India, which leads to trade war, which leads to conflict between the European countries and which leads to trade wars. So the Portuguese set up their trading posts in Goa, Daman, Diu, Saliste, which is an island in Mumbai, Bassein, which is presently as Vasai in Mumbai, Sandhom, presently in Tamil Nadu. The Dutch set up their trading posts in Masulipatanam, Surat and Pulicat. The British East India Company set up their trading posts in Bombay, which is presently Mumbai, Calcutta, which is presently as Kolkata, and Madras, which is presently as Chennai. French East India Company set up their trading posts in Pondicherry, which is presently as Puducherry, Madras, which is presently as Chennai, and Chandarnagar, which is presently known as Chandarnagar in West Bengal. So, in today's video, we have learned how the European countries entered into India and how India became a favorite trading post for the European countries. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.